Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a Vitacost haul. I miss doing these. I definitely want to bring these back, and it's been quite a while since I've done one. If you're unfamiliar with Vitacost, basically it's an online website. They have everything from food, nutrition, supplements, beauty, skincare, you name it, they have it. I love how fast everything ships, and I've never had any issues, and I've been ordering from them for many years. Hello Vitacost. Sponsor me, hello. I would be so honored. Super excited. I have a mixture of beauty, skincare, and food, so I'm super excited for this video. Grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get into this haul. Let's do this. Really quickly, I wanted to mention that there's two things missing from my order. One of the items unfortunately had to ship out separately, which is the hemp hearts I got from Manitoba Harvest. I'm saying that really wrong, but I ordered some hemp seeds. I'll pop up a picture right here of the kind I ordered, but those will be coming soon, probably in a few days or so. And then one other thing was actually missing from my order, and I circled it here. I already contacted them and they're so kind. They're gonna send me my missing item. The one thing, I'll pop it up here on the screen, was a snack item, because I actually ordered a whole bunch of vegan snacks, and I will be doing a taste test in a separate video, so stay tuned for that, and once it goes up I'll make sure to link it below. I used a 15% off discount code and a couple other things, so I did get like a discount on all the items. So like I mentioned, I've been ordering from Vitacost for a very long time, and this is hands down the biggest box they have ever shipped out to me, and I'm going to try to hold it up so I can show you guys. Oh my god, it's so big, you guys. That's what she said. I can't even show you the whole box in one shot. That is how huge this box is. Alright, I'm going to put this down, but just to show you, this box is ginormous, and I think that's because of all the food items I got, and they probably didn't want anything to like break or be crumbled up into a million pieces. Alright, so first up I have my favorite lip balm, which I completely ran out of, so I wanted to make sure I had some in stock. So this is the Hurrah Coconut Lip Balm. I love the Hurrah brands, and all of their lip balms are so awesome. They're more natural, they're super hydrating, and of course the coconut one is my absolute favorite. I just ran out of my current lip balm, so super excited to have this back in my life. You guys know this is holy grail for me. Alright, next up I have one of my favorite hair products. It's from Naturale. I love their skincare, but I also love this product. It's the 1000 Roses Complex Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, and I absolutely love this stuff. I just opened up my last one, so I wanted to get a backup, but this is amazing. And of course it's cruelty free, it's vegan, Leafy Bunny certified. Really does get rid of the frizz, and it heals your hair, and it makes it super soft. I love this stuff. It's so good. I definitely recommend trying this out. And even though it says single use, I will use this at least 4 or 5 times. No joke. Like, a little bit goes a long way, so don't use it all at once. You can use it several times. So since we're talking about Naturales, I also ordered the Heavenly Night Cream, and it came wrapped in all of this tissue. Which, this isn't glass, so I'm surprised that they did that, but I appreciate it. I love how they wrap everything really well. So this is the Naturales 1000 Roses. Again, like I told you, I love this particular line from them. It's so great for if you have sensitive skin, girl, you need to try this out. This is their Heavenly Night Cream. So here's what it looks like. Little pink plastic container. But yeah, this stuff is amazing. Again, cruelty free, of course, it's vegan. This is more on the expensive side. If you go to their website, I think it like retails for $25, but on the Vitacost website I get it for $19, so that's quite a bit of a savings actually. So I always order these products in particular from Vitacost, the more expensive ones. You just get a better discount. So this is, again, the Naturales. This is the Coconut Water Firming Toner. I was using the 1000 Roses one, but I tried this once and I fell in love because I love the scent of coconut. I will say, for some reason, they changed the spray nozzles on these. So I kept my old one and I just keep putting it in the new bottles because it does sort of spray out kind of harsh. Like, it's just, well, this one's a little bit better. Maybe they have improved it, but the last couple of ones I've had, Oh god, that smells good. It smells like coconuts and mint. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, but this is fantastic. And this is not one of those toners that's gonna dry out your skin. It doesn't have witch hazel or any like alcohol in it. Love my Andalou. Always love my Andalou. All right. Oh, we're already at 14 minutes. That's not good. So moving on, I do have some hair products. This is new, and this is actually what I bought to replace the Desert Essence Heat Protectant Spray, which you guys know, I didn't really like that one too much. It was okay. So this one had really great reviews. It's cruelty-free and vegan. To the best of my knowledge, all of the Giovanni products are actually vegan friendly except for their magnetic line. I don't know, it's some kind of particular line which I've never used. So here's just an up close. So this is a Brazilian keratin and argan oil ultra sleek flat iron styling mist. It says that this helps with defend hair from extreme flat iron heat. That is me, honey. I always end up straightening my hair, but I like that this is really good for heat styling. That's what I was really looking for, is something that was not only good for my hair, but mainly focused on heat, like preventing heat damage. Can I just say, Giovanni products, you guys, if you have not tried them, they give you that really luxurious, like you've gone to the salon feeling at home, and they're affordable. I think this cost me, hold on, let me look it up. Yeah, this was only $7.19. I mean, you can't go wrong. Cruelty-free, vegan, and amazing. If you guys see this in a favorites video, then you'll know. I'll try to remember to do an update, but I'm so excited to try this out. And fingers crossed that it works for me, because I've been on the hunt for such a long time finding a cruelty-free heat protectant spray. So I just ran out of my shampoo and conditioner, so I'm sure you guys already guessed what it is. But it's the Desert Essence Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner. Holy Grail favorites. Absolutely love, love, love. So here's what they look like. Shampoo and conditioner. They smell amazing and incredible, and these last a really long time. This is my favorite body wash, you guys already know. This is a really great brand. They do ethical trade, handcrafted, no synthetic fragrance, vegan, no animal testing, paraben free, and biodegradable ingredients, which is amazing because it's good for the environment as well. So a big bottle like this will last me a really long time. I also use this, it doubles as my shaving cream. So when I shave my legs or under my armpits, this is what I use. It's great, it's gentle. I've seen it at Whole Foods, and I've also seen it at a store called Fresh Time Marketplace. I don't know where they are located other than Michigan. The win-win. Great body wash if you haven't tried it. This does come in different scents, but I'm terrified to try something else, so I just stick with this. Alright, then the last sort of beauty item is actually something I'm really excited to try out, and I've been searching and searching online, and there's so much kind of iffy information. There's really no such thing as a cruelty-free company that makes like a razor, like a cruelty-free razor to shave your legs or under your arms for your body. And so I did some research, and on Vitacost they actually sell this brand, which is called Preserve. And so this company is really great because they also do other things like toothbrushes and stuff like that. I wanted to switch to something like this because when you think about it, we use a razor and we just throw the whole thing away, and it's not biodegradable. It's not, you can't recycle it, but these ones you can, which is so exciting. So the handle is actually, you can recycle the handle. So I think that's really awesome. It also comes in this traveling case, so I definitely will keep this. Kind of looks like a men's razor, but I don't care. I actually really like the blue. I love blue. It's one of my favorite colors. And the green is really cool. And this does flex. So I will report back to you guys if you guys want to know like how this turns out. I'm hoping it doesn't butcher my skin or my legs, so we'll have to see. I don't know. Alright guys, moving on to some other things. I do have one kind of cleaning product. This is the 7th generation fabric softener sheets. These are the only ones that I buy. I've been wanting to try the like balls that you put inside the dryer, but I don't know if that's a good idea because I don't own my own washer and dryer, so that may not be. I've read like mixed reviews on those. So for now, this is what I've been using. They're 97% plant-based sheets, and this is the fresh lavender scent. I've been buying these for a really long time. yeah, I ordered a box of this and it's really good. So I've been on the hunt for some new oral care for the mouth to keep your mouth clean and healthy. So I wanted to try some new products. So these are the new products I got. So first up we have some dental floss. Now this is something I've never even thought of. I just usually use whatever my husband buys. But I didn't even know they make like a really good, healthy, cruelty-free and vegan dental floss. I don't know why that sounds crazy to me, but I didn't even know this existed until I was searching online. And yeah, so this brand I've never heard before. It's called Radius. Yeah, so here's just what it looks like. And they are Leaping Bunny certified and also PETA certified. You probably can't even see this, can you? Oh, it opens like this. Oh, this is so cute. So this little front part opens up like this. This would be great for traveling as well. So yeah, I want to see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It has a very, very light mint scent. Yeah, so yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. So this is from Dr. Bronner's, and I have tried the Dr. Bronner soap, but I was looking for a new toothpaste to try out, and this one just had really awesome reviews and feedback on the Vitacost website. So I was like, okay, you got me sold. And this is, it says it's fluoride free, 70% organic ingredients, helps freshen breath, whiten teeth, and reduce plaque. And I'm always curious to try like new toothpaste and stuff. And by the way, this is cruelty free, it's vegan. They are a Leaping Bunny certified brand. Just to show you there, vegan certified, all that good stuff. Oh, that smells strong. It smells really good. I don't know, I'll have to test it out and get back to you guys. But yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I'm hoping it's good. Have you guys tried this? Let me know your thoughts. So this product again had pretty good reviews. I definitely find the Vitacost reviews on there to be really helpful. So this is the Desert Essence Coconut Oil Mouthwash, non-GMO, sugar-free, alcohol-free. I do not like alcohol in my mouthwash, so that's really good. And this is the coconut mint scent. You guys know I'm obsessed with coconut. So here's what it looks like. And I already love Desert Essence products, so I'm super excited to give this a try. I actually ran out of mouthwash. I've been using the one from Jason Naturals, but I thought I would try something new. Oh my god, that smells so good. That smells really good. So I will definitely report back to you guys on how this goes. Alright guys, I'm going to go really quickly through all the snack stuff because I am going to do a separate video and do a taste testing of some awesome vegan snacks that I haven't tried. Well, there is one thing I think I have tried from here. So first up we have the Enjoy Life, which I've only tried their chocolate chips I use to bake with, but it's the soft baked mini chocolate chip cookies. I also bought another big thing of nutritional yeast. The stuff is amazing. It has a cheesy, nutty flavor. I sprinkle this on everything. You can also make a vegan cheese sauce with it. And this is the Cal brand. This is the brand I've been buying. I have tried the Bragg's one. I've tried quite a few brands actually, the Now brand, but this is still my favorite. This is around 10 bucks and it lasts forever. It's 12 ounces. I just keep repurchasing this over and over, and if a little bit goes a long way, you can make it last a long time. It's just one of those staple foods that I have to have, so I really love this stuff. Alright, for the rest of the snacks, we've got the, I've heard really good things about these. They're the Hippopes Organic Chickpea Puffs, and the flavor is Pepper Power. So this is what they look like. Nut-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, kosher, vegan, and non-soy. Next we have, this is a single serve Gimme Organic Wasabi Seaweed. It's roasted seaweed. Not a big fan of seaweed, but I'm going to give this a try. This is the, I don't even know how to say this name. I want to say Satan Backer. Satan Backer. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's a fruit snack, 100% vegan, gelatin-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, strawberry alligators. I think this would be fun if you have any kids or if you have a sweet tooth. So I was craving some type of gummy bear, and gummy bears unfortunately are not vegan friendly. They have gelatin in them. Alright guys, the last three things again are all snack items. So this right here I've never heard of before, but it's the gluten-free bites. Oh, these are made in Michigan. No way. I didn't even know that. It says proudly made in Michigan. If you guys don't know, I live in Michigan. I'm born and raised. Michigander through and through. Look, it says that right there. I didn't even know that. That's crazy. I seen these and I'm just like, oh, I have to try these now. I think these were a little bit more expensive. I think they're around like $4 or $5. So these are coconut cashew crunch. They're like little tiny balls. Little balls, and I guess they have coconut and cashew. So yay. All right, and the last thing is these two snacks. This is the Bean Fields Bean Chips Nacho flavor. I think I have tried this before, but it's been a long time. I know, silly me, I picked two things that I think I have tried before. But I'm still gonna do the video. So last but not least is the Earth Balance Vegan Aged White Cheddar Puffs. Oh my god, you guys. These are so good. I haven't had these in months. Like, it's been a long time since I ordered these. And I remember them being really good, but I definitely want to try them again. There is vegan options for everything, even if you like junk food. It's nice to have junk food once in a while. So yeah, that is everything, you guys. This was such a massive, it doesn't look like that much altogether, but it definitely was a very big Vitacost haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably really, really long. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite item to purchase from Vitacost. I want to know. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new. I upload every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a really awesome day, and I will see you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye, guys.